Hi everyone, I was just going to show you what I'm doing for my HTML and how I copy and pasted things over. So as you can see here, I created my What Have I Missed document. And so if I click on that and I click on the What Have I Missed, it shows this in a link and it shows it really nice and big so that the kids can see it. And then on mine, I have all the units and the assignments in here and the videos. So all I have to do is put my CC recording. And I really need to change this to session 1 and session 2. So I'll do that later. So anyway, I never come in here. What I do is I always go to the Google Doc that I have this in, and then it automatically updates in here, and then the students can click on the link. So once you have this set up the way you want it, you never have to come back into this document. Okay, so how are we going to set this up? Let me show you how to do that. So let's go over here to Content. And then you can click on, if you've already have it set up and you already have it linked, you can go in here and you can edit the properties in place. Let me go to Edit HTML because that's what I use. Okay, so anyway, you're not going to copy and paste anything in here. Once you're in this, you want to come down to where it shows these little arrows, and you're going to click on that. And it has, this is called the HTML source editor. And all you want to do is, what I have in the email is copy and paste that in the document. Okay. And then you want to go to your Google Docs and you want to highlight the link after you've shared it. And all you want to do is copy and paste over my link. And then everything will show up the same. And then you would push save. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and push cancel. And then I'm going to pull over here. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is my Google Drive, and if I scroll down, you'll see that I have my What Have I Missed calendars down here. This one right here is my old one from last year, so all I did was copied a new one, and I'm resetting the dates. So you can name it like I named mine, you know, Spring 2016, so I remember which that one was. And then I have a lot of things that I wanted saved. I didn't want to have to redo everything. So this is in my Google Doc. So what I can do here is I can change this to session 1, and then I'm going to come over here and change that to session 2. And then it updates it, you know, right away. And so when I do my session starting next week, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Unit 19 and then put my session recordings in here. Okay, and so then what you want to do next is after you have this set up, you want to go to File and you want to, I forget, oh, you want to, I'm sorry, publish to the web. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and do published. I've already done published for mine, so this is the link that comes up. So you just want to highlight this link and copy it in the embedded file that I gave you on the email. And then it's automatically going to show up the way you want it in the other things. So let's see, just for fun, this is in my Google Doc. I created session 1, session 2. I'm going to scoot that out of the way. Oops, scoot that screen out of the way. And then here I am back in my class, and you can see it still says these things. So what I want to do to see if it's changed, sometimes it does take a few minutes for it to change, but I'm going to click cancel because I didn't want to change anything in there. I'm going to go back to class home, click on what have I missed, and then you can see that it automatically updated session 1, session 2. So I never have to come back here. I always go to the Google Doc after this is set up and put in my links. You can also do the same thing with your teacher contact information, with your syllabus. I also have those in Google Doc formats because it's just easier for me to do that. And go to Edit HTML, click on those little arrows down at the bottom, and then all you have to do is put in this same thing that I give you, and then highlight the whole link between the quotation marks and put in your link, and it should work perfectly fine once you published it. So hopefully this helps, and this is really easy to set up from year to year. I think what I'm going to want to do is just save this link so that I have it for next year, and then all I have to do is update all of my information, and it's fixed. If I ever need to change anything here for next year, I can do that right on my Google Doc, make another copy, and it's that easy. So hopefully that'll help you.